Hey yo, what's good YouTube? It's the boy Tim back again. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can actually order something online without necessarily paying for it. So this only applies to sites that will tell you to, order for 7 days free trial without necessarily paying for the amount, maybe till after 7 days then before you get debited on your account. So watch this video because this video is going to be of a very good value to you. So it's going to help you to actually place order, buy anything you want to buy online from Amazon, from any site that actually allows 7 days free trial or any form of free trial before they will actually debit your account. Google actually does this a lot, whereby they tell you to input your card. They're going to charge you 000 naira or $000. Then after 7 days or after 28 days or after 1 month, or depending on their guaranteed period of time, then they're going to debit your account. So sometimes when you actually apply for something like this, you're not going to actually be observant enough, or maybe your mind will go off of it. And then after like so dates, they're going to debit your account even without you knowing. So in this video, I'm going to actually show you how you can actually use a credit card that has your name, but then not connected to your account. Then you're going to use this to actually apply for anything, order anything. Then at the end of the so date, they're going to charge the card. Of course, there'll be no money in the card, so you're not going to lose any money. So make sure you share this video to anyone you think might need it, but it's going to be of a great value to all of you. And make sure you stay liked and also subscribe to this channel. Right? Okay guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can actually order something online without necessarily paying for it. So this is going to allow you to place order on sites that requires you to order for free trial with your credit card. Sometimes a lot of people doesn't like this idea because when they input their credit card, they might end up getting charged without them even knowing that they were charged, all right, until they open their account or they get a debit on all that. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can actually get a fake card that is going to be valid for platforms like this. A typical example of what I'm trying to say is this. So this is actually Google Gemini, and it's an example of sites that actually allows you to, register for free trial, and then after 28 days, you're going to be charged. So if you click on upgrade, for example, you're going to be taken to this place so you can see 28,000 naira per month thereafter. So, but then they're going to charge you for 0 naira for the first month. So what this means is that they're going to allow you to put your credit card details, and after 28 days or after 30 days rather, they're going to charge you, right? So you're going to use 1 month for free, but then before you be eligible for this 1 month, you're going to need your credit card. So how are you going to use your credit card without having any money inside? So stick with me, let me walk you through that. So click on this start free trial. Right, so if you agree, it's going to be taking you to, you're going to be taken to the page where you input your credit card. Now, I'm going to show you guys how to generate a credit card that you can actually use for this. All right, so this is a credit card I used to have here, but then I'm going to update the card. Then I'm going to show you guys how you can get your own card to use. Right, so to get your own card, go to this site called cardgenerator.io. cardgenerator.io. For a quick disclaimer, this video is for educational purpose only, right? It's not for any fraudulent activity or whatsoever, right? So this is for educational purpose only. So now when you get to this site, it's going to look exactly like this. So now go ahead and click on this credit card generator. Now select any of the card you want. So I'm going to go with Visa, or rather, let me go with Mastercard. So if you click on that, you're going to be taken to this page. So now when you come to this place now, click on select, and add to pop up. Just go back and then click on select. So when you get to select, scroll down to the country you want to generate. So for me, for example, I'm in Nigeria. I'm going to click Nigeria. Then I'm going to click generate Mastercard. So let me go back, click on it again, generate. Okay, so we're going to wait for a couple of seconds, and then the card is going to be generated. Now, this card is not a valid card, all right? It's a fake card, in quotes, right? But then you can use it to place order on sites like, the one I just showed you. Okay, so with this, you avoid getting charged your real money, right? So you probably just want to give it a try to know if it works. But most times when this happens, you end up forgetting that you have your card on a platform like that. At the end of the day, you're going to be charged. So this will allow you to avoid that. So our card is ready for use. So this is basically how you can generate it. And yeah, so in case you want to use USA, so most people prefer using USA because most platform actually does not allow all these West African cards, or West African countries rather. So go ahead and generate for USA, allow it for some seconds to generate. Okay, also you can generate for bulk Mastercard. That is, if you need a lot of them, you can click on this and then generate. But then I'm going to stick with one example. Maybe later we'll do that. Okay, so now this validate card option is actually to like validate your card, but it's not necessary because without validating your card, you can still make use of the generated details to, proceed with whatever you want to do. So look at it. It said click on the details on the right side because, okay, copy these values, that is, you've generated accurate details, blah, blah. Now, we recommend you validate these details using validate card button before making any use of them. Okay, so it's recommended, but then it's not compulsory. Like they said here, copy these values. That's it. You generated accurate details using a Mastercard credit card generator details, or be generator tools. Even without validating it, you can still proceed to use it. Okay, but they recommend you validate it before you make use of them. Okay, so this thing is done generating, and you can see this is our address, and this is the name, this is the credit card details, and this is your CVV. Okay, so that's basically how to generate your stuff. So if you want to generate in bulk, just click on bulk Mastercard generator, and then select your network. Go back, select your network, credit card, Visa card, or whatsoever country, and select any country. So I'm going to stick with USA. So format, go back. Once you get taken away, just know that it's a pop-up ad. Just go back to the platform and then click on JSON. Okay, JSON. So depending on the number of files you want, you can generate up to 100 details, but let me just generate 5 at once. So let's generate bulk credit card. Okay, please remember you cannot use this for platform that requires you to pay first before you make use of their platform. It's only for platforms that allows you to do this for free trial, right? So I don't really want this to be very, very long. Okay, just a quick update that I decided to bring on this channel, and from now henceforth, I'm not really going to be doing only AdSense and videos. I'm going to be doing general knowledge videos and all. So you can see your details are ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can go ahead and use this, and you can also validate all of them before using. So that's basically it for this video, and I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you guys find value in this video. And if you do, please don't forget to like, don't forget to share to anyone you think might need this video, and don't forget to subscribe. All right, so I'm going to be dropping more content now that I've decided not to be doing only AdSense videos. And with that, I hope I will see you guys in the next video. Stay safe and peace.